Hi everyone, welcome back to Mary Edo's Kitchen. So guys, since today is Independence Day, I thought about making a special meal to celebrate and I came up with this delicious fried rice and I'm making use of basmati rice. As you all can see, we have already prepped our ingredients and now just stay tuned and watch me do the magic in the kitchen. Let's cook and celebrate Nigeria together. So viewers, let's leave it for the video guy and the background sound to do the talking.
You are the one, you are the star. You have the power to go far. Believe in yourself and you will see. All your dreams can come true. Believe in me. You have the strength, you have the might to overcome any fight. Believe in yourself and you will shine like a diamond in the sky, so fine. You are the one, you are the star. You have the power to go far. Believe in yourself and you will see. All your dreams can come true. Believe in me. You have the strength, you have the might to overcome any fight. Believe in yourself and you will shine like a diamond in the sky, so fine. So fine. You are the one, you are the star. You have the power to go far. Believe in yourself and you will see. All your dreams can come
Nice.
true. Believe in me. You
So guys, food is ready. Come join me.